What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2022 Kia Carnival unlocked and opened if the battery in the Carnival dies or if the battery in our key fob dies. If the battery in the key fob dies, we're also going to take a look at how we can get our Carnival started, which will turn the alarm off after we open the door. So if the battery in your key fob's dead, make sure you watch the end of the video for that. In either one of those scenarios, a dead key fob battery or a dead vehicle battery, in order to get the doors unlocked, the first thing that we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release right here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to use this emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So taking a closer look at our driver's door, we see that there's no exposed key cylinder, and it's actually hidden under this cap right here. So what we're going to do is take our emergency key, and if we look underneath this cap, we see there's this little slot right here. So what I'm going to do is take this hand and open the driver's door handle just a little bit, and then I'm going to take the emergency key and push it straight up in that slot, and then just wiggle it a little bit, and that cap will come off of there like that. And then we'll use our emergency key to unlock the driver's door. Now, if the battery in your Carnival's dead, you can go ahead and open the door, and then you can pop the hood and charge the battery or change it, whatever you need to do. If the battery in your key fob is dead, like I was talking about in the beginning of the video, after you unlock the door, and as soon as you open it, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm from going off is we need to get in and start the vehicle. So what I need to do is take my key fob, and if we're looking at it like this, and we're calling this the top, we're going to use the top of it to press the stop-start button. So we'll do everything else as normal, press the brake in, come over here, and I'm just going to use the top of it to press the stop-start button. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.